Excellence, when the president now, we need to get too. This first 5 months, you have made a lot of gains.
For Mr. Happiness, a branch here, ne picture, that screen you see. Meeting me the message see me work as or ye gun in mapa. So only NPP and only NDC. Initially, I thought he was an NDC member. And me blocking because the style of how I know your politics is not. I didn't like it. Now NPP call your NDC have been here with Mr. Happiness or Ghana home. Even though your NDC in the cry, at least on your hypocrites. Say others. Mr. Happiness Abba Bonte and the Esebia Betuja or command His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Say he owns Ghanaians an apology because he campaigned for him. So he has every right to tell him to come out to apologize to Ghanaians for what he has done. And then Mr. Happiness can say, Nancy, man of the moment, Okatechi Efrifa Mensa. What Kelvin Taylor to a Tiano Consuenya Semke to a fee cry. But you see, Kelvin Taylor, a manipulator. He can manipulate you. Like when Kelvin Taylor is talking, even though but he has a way to, express himself. You might think, say, just say, as and found the Ghana for your kind of cry. That is who Kelvin Taylor is. He's good at that. But I'm manipulating what just and I'm even shocked. I'm surprised. Kelvin Taylor. Nancy and Okatachi Afrifa the information be a fine girl be offended Annie no more ever. Now this Annie girl no Okatachi Afrifa ne ex-girlfriend na wako can Kelvin Taylor no more. If the Kelvin Taylor information or the egu Okatachi Afrifa neni mase. Now Okatachi Afrifa and a Kelvin Taylor war in the say journalism no more industry no. You know more one I mean say to cause any can't to go. We can't just tell. Now say now about say so dear and I work at a chef free fire no. Kelvin sorry. You nim sending a man to question say then we can't tell. So at a chef free fire so nisho no yen na Kelvin is so be can't no we can't tell. Now say okay at a chef free fire information or my any girl in one and I want it. You know at a chef free fire say in some moon na wood in so much or say me Annie Sansa Delhi say or your doctor chere indura o yare ese wo fa just say or show our hosting na as a doctor, a medical doctor for that matter. Sana ni call medical school on call medical school na NDC for ba power and say omo appointed Annie so on call the National Health Insurance Board and so what health sector na say. Then Okatachi Afrifa be leak information no just on your doctor otimi gina na kitchen address it as doctor etwitwa pictures aye show we an wa egufem editing just or shed doctor atare mu ye bold o and I said 2024 year to aberi NDC for winning gave out ebe congratulate His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say or any personal doctor. This is waiting me actually that way we need the congratulations. In a Ghana food which is His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I said one of my Ghana folks a wabona de adinano. Son a doctor offshore on your original doctor. Now Mr. Happiness is just His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na NDC party in Penifuna more board in the unity. Answer na more appointed Annie. So on the board so educate a health sector no. One your background check bia. She's a more appointing just like that because she campaigned for a friend a party no. To more bonabao and I said Kelvin Taylor no didn't buy some money no. Abayan sembebre. Na journalist phone na Ghana fu bebre akasa. Say imagine obi a wonya doctor.
Good evening Ghana.
Doctor.
You say you remember what TikTok? Me here aduane o. Ana madam fu bi be join me. Hello, Sikofia. I won't see Ghana lady, you know, US, away fake certificate, so a medical doctor. John Mama man appointment. And I'm zooming TV. Also, could also can be found. Jamaga too soon tina woman appointment so minimum fee. Parce que no company ma John Mama until so casa found. I'm really now with make up for every research kakra. No miss my friend there minim. Because when person make cancer my minimum fee. Tim ko miss ko Google kakra. We DW Africa Facebook. Said Ghana's President John Mahama has revoked the appointment of Anne Sansa Delhi from the National Health Insurance Authority Board following public concerns about her lack of a valid license to practice medicine in Ghana. Delhi claimed to have studied at Johns Hopkins University, but following inquiries from Ghanaians, the institution responded, "We are unable to locate the record under this name." The presidency has now replaced her with Dr. Ernest York. When my Kontia get away, the boldness, echo fake certificate of John Hopkins. Ni nefi statement that John Dramani Mama here 20th June Kumasi. Emra me can say Kofi me Dutch passport available to PhD. Then NDC presidential candidate John Dramani Mahama. I can say Kofi. Say can me my course screen and more PhD. You can be a high value citizen. How in Netherlands? And yes, I can me paper toilet. Who someone can grant me out. Still, I mean, you see me platform the company man. Me what? Ghana it is announced. Share. Says John Mama. Cry GD say. Who was certificate? But I said, why be a Juma? I am quite with fake. Me supporting here. Many appointment. Your mama win you and I get the presenting the fixed certificate. And I your mama man appointment. It's a ordinary Ghanaians. I'm quite inquiries are. In the whole presidency of Ghana, I need inquiries, background check on the girl, all man government appointment to serve the people of Ghana. His Excellency John Dramani, you should be ashamed of this. Revoking the lady's appointment and replacing her is not something you should be applauded for. You should rather make a public statement and apologize to Ghanaians for this big mistake. It's just a one-year background check. Even with your highly educated team. Excellency, when the president now, we need to get too. This first 5 months, you have made a lot of gains. Sign your background check on most of the and before appointing into your government. Now check your certification. Since you believe, say certificate says someone be a Juma. But I know common sense, no. You patch check your certificate. And then someone do be from chain first time the crowd. May I have nothing to lose. May I like you, that's why I campaign for you. But I catch you when you say school certificate and your wisdom. Rather knowledge. Until you be. But you do practice, I want to use you. Will be in practicing. Because wisdom, you think it yourself. Knowledge is something somebody has taught and it has been mass produced. His Excellency, do the needful and apologize to Ghanaians. So why a big mistake with this appointment? Then see you. And yes, I will legacy now person building and muscle. Mechanical crash. Cheers. You can't you Dutch passport, a valuable PhD anytime in the day. May that's it.